Hi, my name is Tommy Van Scoy. I own a jewelry store in Dallas, Pennsylvania called Tovon Company. And we're manufacturing jewelers. We do everything from CNC, laser welding, laser engraving now. And that's what we've done. We've done it for like 52 years now. The machine I purchased was a laser engraver. And everything right now is specialized, personalized jewelry, and this should help us tremendously to get that customer in the door looking for the personalized jewelry. One thing I have to say about LaserStar, I mean, not only is it a good product, but the support is unbelievable. I was down here for 2 days with Raphael, and I'm going to tell you, I'm not the best computer guy in the world, but this fellow managed to instill in me the way to operate the unit and how to get things going back home. And the nice part about it, when I do get home, if I do have problems, he's right there or someone is here to take care of it. So the support is unbelievable. One thing about Raphael, he listens to you. Some people may get it quicker than others. This fellow is phenomenal as far as the way he could read you on the way you're accepting and understanding everything he's trying to teach you. It's just great. I got to tell you, if you ever think about a laser engraver, you got to look at LaserStar. That's all I got to tell you. The weather, weather back home, we're in the teens. Plus up in Rhode Island, I don't know if you're gonna get snowed in or not. I don't want to take a chance. So I came down here to Florida, and besides that, this is where they actually make the product. So I felt, coming here would be the best way to do it down to Florida. Oh, I suggest LaserStar to anybody in the jewelry industry looking for marking, engraving. You got to have it nowadays, and you got to stay up to current innovations in technology.